Evening. Today marks day 7, June 9th, and just wanted to give you a little bit of feedback after today. Just looking over a couple of things, went through and graded some of your assignments that you turned in. Got some of the things that were turned in over the weekend caught up for some of you that turned in things over the weekend for past assignments of the federalism unit. Also looked at some of your responses to the questions in the quiz. For the what is your freedom type quiz. One of the things that, at least what I looked at about 4 o'clock today, a lot of you, at least the majority of you right now, are like what would be termed as a freedom balancer, which kind of matches up closely. It looks like the majority of you got matched up closely with John Q. Adams. But one of the things that I did learn from reading your answers is that clearly you guys do understand that politics is about compromise and things that have to, for progress and equality to continuously be achieved, you have to be willing to compromise. Make sure also that you answer all parts of the question. Not all of you necessarily did that. However, I didn't really get too hung up on that because I felt like you guys were able to pick out some of the larger themes of national security, social freedoms, race, religion, gender, things like that. Don't forget to also choose one photo, one song to finish up that other daily assignment that is in the lecture slides. Also, beginning to grading some of those, quite a few of those assessments tomorrow. I'll start getting those graded and feedback back to you. If any corrections need to be made, obviously you'll have an opportunity to do that. For tomorrow, as well as, so for Wednesday, Thursday, it'll be kind of similar. You'll be looking at extension activities with Supreme Court cases. You'll be looking at how the Supreme Court has interpreted our laws for us and set new standards of interpretation when it comes to those laws and how those things should be enforced. So you'll be looking at, you'll have a choice of 3 cases tomorrow, 3 cases Thursday. All you have to do is just one. Very similar to what you guys did last week, actually, as far as the historical investigation, working on coming up with some of those inquiry-based and open-ended questions, right? Making sure that, the question that you ask can't necessarily be answered by just reading the article that you chose, but trying to incorporate some of those skills that we're trying to develop, which is, developing good research questions, because that's a very important part of doing history. As well as, summary writing, being able to take big picture ideas and kind of summarize all of those things up together. So that's all I had for you guys for this evening. Hope everybody's doing well. Today we went back to the coast, to the San Francisco Giants. If anybody watched it to the end of 3 minutes, if you can't make it past 3 minutes, I don't know what to tell you. But if you made it to the 3-minute mark, then go ahead and leave a comment in the Google Classroom, and you get to pick the hat that I wear tomorrow. So, hope everybody's having a good evening. See you later.